Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5-bass 3D printer. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. FLASHFRGE Adventurer 5M. Meet the FLASHFRGE Adventurer 5M, a fast, beginner-friendly 3D printer built for speed, precision, and easy everyday printing. Priced at around $239, the Adventurer 5M delivers impressive value with Core XY performance, auto-leveling, and high-speed printing at a very affordable price. This printer features fully automatic bed leveling, so setup is quick and hassle-free. It can print at speeds up to 600 mm per second, making it much faster than many standard desktop 3D printers. The 280-degree direct extruder handles PLA, PTG, TPU, and more with smooth and reliable extrusion. It also comes with a 3-second detachable nozzle design, making nozzle changes fast and simple. Its Core XY all-metal structure improves stability and helps deliver clean, accurate prints even at high speed. And with a 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume, there's plenty of room for most hobby and home projects. Pros. The biggest strengths are excellent print speed, easy setup, automatic leveling, and strong print quality right out of the box. It's beginner-friendly, reliable, and offers great performance for the price. Cons. On the downside, the print size may feel limited for larger projects, and advanced users may want more open customization options compared with some other printers. It can also get a bit noisy while printing at maximum speed. Number 4. Creality K2 SE 3D Printer. Introducing the Creality K2 SE, a fast, durable 3D printer designed for smooth printing, easy setup, and future multicolor upgrades. At around $299, the K2 SE offers strong value with high-speed performance, automatic leveling, and premium build quality at a competitive price. The Creality K2 SE delivers print speeds up to 500 mm per second, helping you finish projects much faster. It features automatic bed leveling for easy calibration and more consistent first layers. The direct drive extruder improves filament control and works great with materials like PLA, PTG, and TPU. Its quick swap nozzle design makes maintenance simple and saves time when changing nozzles. The solid metal frame adds strength and stability for reliable printing with reduced vibration. It also supports future multicolor printing through Creality's CFS system for more creative printing possibilities. And with a 220 by 215 by 245 mm build volume, it gives you plenty of room for everyday models, parts, and prototypes. Pros. The biggest advantages are fast printing speed, sturdy all-metal construction, easy auto-leveling, and clean print quality. It's beginner-friendly while still offering features advanced users will appreciate. Cons. On the downside, the multicolor feature requires the optional CFS accessory, so it's not included out of the box. And while fast, it may still need tuning depending on filament type and print settings. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D Printer. Introducing the Creality Ender 3v3 Plus, a large-format high-speed 3D printer built for fast printing, precision, and bigger creative projects. Priced at around $378, the Ender 3v3 Plus offers excellent value with ultra-fast printing, automatic leveling, and a spacious build area for larger prints. This printer reaches impressive speeds up to 600 mm per second, helping you complete prints much faster than traditional models. Its Core XZ motion system improves speed and stability while maintaining print accuracy. Auto-leveling makes setup easier and helps create reliable first layers with less manual adjustment. The direct drive extruder offers smooth filament feeding and supports materials like PLA, PTG, and TPU. It also features a durable tri-metal nozzle built for better heat resistance and longer life. The reinforced metal frame keeps the printer stable during fast movement and reduces vibration for cleaner results. And with a large 11.8 by 11.8 by 13-inch print volume, it's ideal for bigger models, prototypes, and multi-part projects. Pros. The biggest highlights are very fast print speeds, large build volume, strong frame stability, and excellent print quality. It's a great option for users who want more space without stepping into expensive professional machines. Cons. On the downside, it takes up more desk space than standard Ender printers, and beginners may need a little time to learn the advanced features. At high speed, noise levels can also be noticeable during operation. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Introducing the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, a fast, beginner-friendly 3D printer built for easy setup, reliable printing, and great everyday performance. At around $219, the Ender 3v3 SE delivers excellent value with auto-leveling, direct drive extrusion, and upgraded performance at a budget-friendly price. This printer reaches speeds up to 250 mm per second, making printing faster than previous Ender models. It features CR Touch auto-leveling, which helps create smooth first layers and reduces setup time. The Sprite Direct Drive Extruder offers reliable filament feeding and works well with PLA, PTG, and TPU materials. Auto filament loading makes loading filament quicker and easier for beginners. Its dual Z-axis design improves stability while printing and helps deliver more accurate results. The upgraded structure is designed for smoother movement and better print consistency overall. And with an 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inch build volume, it's perfect for household prints, prototypes, toys, and creative projects. Pros. The biggest strengths are easy setup, strong print quality, reliable auto-leveling, and excellent value for the price. It's especially great for beginners who want a printer that works well right out of the box. Cons. On the downside, the build volume is smaller than some larger models, and while fast, it isn't as quick as premium Core XY machines. Advanced users may also want more customization options. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Introducing the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, a fast and beginner-friendly desktop 3D printer designed for easy setup and reliable everyday printing. At just around $186, the Ender 3v3 SE offers outstanding value with automatic leveling, direct drive extrusion, and impressive print quality for the price. This 3D printer delivers print speeds up to 250 mm per second, helping you finish projects faster than many entry-level printers. CR Touch auto-leveling makes bed calibration simple and helps ensure smooth first layers every time. The Sprite Direct Drive Extruder provides better filament control and supports PLA, PTG, and TPU printing. Auto-load filament makes loading material quick and beginner-friendly. Its dual Z-axis design improves stability and keeps movement smooth while printing. Easy assembly means you can get started quickly without spending hours building it. And with an 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inch print volume, it's ideal for models, home projects, parts, and creative prints. Pros. The biggest advantages are affordable pricing, easy setup, reliable auto-leveling, and strong print quality right out of the box. It's one of the best beginner-friendly 3D printers in this price range. Cons. The downsides are the smaller build volume compared with larger printers, and it's not as fast as premium high-speed Core XY models. Advanced users may also want more upgrade options over time. Closing review. Overall, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is an excellent budget 3D printer for beginners, hobbyists, and anyone looking for dependable printing without spending too much. If you want to check the latest price on the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, check the link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more 3D printer reviews and buying guides.